Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by inspecting the mud water pot for hairline cracks, uneven rims, or loose bits of clay. Return or replace a damaged pot. Rinse the pot thoroughly with lukewarm tap water and scrub gently with a soft brush in your hands. Avoid soap or detergent because it can seep into porous clay. Do not pour boiling water into a dry earthen pot. That risks cracking. Keep all rinses at warm room temperature and remove any loose particles until the water runs clear. To cure a new mud pot, fill it completely with clean drinking water and let it sit for 24 hours so the clay can swell and stabilize. After 24 hours, pour that water away and refill. Repeat the fill and soak cycle 2 more times for a total of 3 cycles to reduce residual dust and clay taste. Once cured, use only cool or room temperature water for storage because hot liquids can stress the clay. This simple curing minimizes seepage and improves taste before first regular use. For daily use, top up the mud pot as people drink and replace all stored water every 24 hours to keep it fresh and safe. Store the pot in a shaded, well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight or heat sources to preserve cooling and prevent algae growth. Once a week, empty the pot, rinse with lukewarm water, scrub gently if needed, and air dry upside down before refilling. Never use soap. If you notice mold, discard water and deep clean by scrubbing and repeating the curing cycles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.